get cheated.
What you got?
I got right lane.
Right lane what?
Right lane.
Right lane 1.
Right lane 1. Let's go. What you got, man? 2. Left 2.
Hold on, man.
What you got there, man? That's a buy. Oh, he got the buy. No green.
Boom, 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 boom.
Big ass hand. Here we go. Right lane 1.
Right lane 1.
I mean left lane.
No, you 2 or what?
You got left 2.
Oh, he racing Eddie.
So who I got?
So that's right lane.
Me and everything? Okay.
So Prodigy got right lane 2?
Yep.
Man, I gotta go against Eddie on the first one.
At least it's 2.
It's all love, man.
Yeah, on the first one.
Hey, straight out
Golly, what? They trying to get me out of here quick here. Hey, get him back to filming, man. Get him back here. Get him back to filming, man. Golly. I'm jumping. I'm jumping.
You gotta leave on it, man.
That's fine. I want him to.
Go over the rules so they'll know what the rules are. The only thing y'all pretty much know the rule, but you remember y'all gonna have a stage man in front of your bike. Right? You jump the light, you lose. You jump the light, you lose. No creeping, guys, no rolling. Cause you shouldn't have that type of a clutch. No creeping, no rolling. You jump the light, you lose.
You had that clutch?
If that bitch creeping and the opposing side see it, then you dead. No creeping, no rolling.
Video on the line?
Yeah, I think Ken got video guy.
What about crossing these lines?
I like that.
You can't cross in front.
You can't cross.
I feel like you cross behind.
So what's your cross?
If you behind the nigga, it shouldn't matter. You lost him.
What's your crossing line?
I'm saying if I'm in front of you and you cross my head, I won anyway.
Like me and you racing, and I cross that yellow line. I cross the
You cross the line, you can't bite your head. If you cross the line, you still lose.
Yeah, you lose.
You can't front.
If you're in front,
That's why I said you can't cross in front. I said if you cross,
no, you can't cross period.
Hey, let it be known that the first cone is our 8th mile.
Oh yeah, so is it to the second
No,
cone?
it's the first cone. That's the 8th mile. Yeah, it's the first 8th mile. We go to the 8th
race to the
mile.
second. Hard time race the first one.
Just so nobody confused.
No creeping, no rolling. Okay, so what we're gonna pull the other class after they get this out of the way.
Yeah.
Step by.
Hey, remember,
Be clear on who makes the final decision. If it's a discrepancy at the line about rolling, jumping, let's be clear about who makes the final decision so we don't have a whole bunch of arguing and going back and forth.
Is he in it?
No, he's not racing.
This should be the flagger and the cameraman.
I would say black and Ken.
Okay.
Yeah, is Kenny Red?
I would say Ken and black and
But you got you in the hard tire too, right? No?
Black ain't a contender.
Okay. Well, after it get done, we'll do something, you know?
I remember y'all.
So are we going to it right now?
And if you win, come right back.
Alright, man, I got first dibs, man. So, I gotta beat Eddie, man. I gotta pull something out my ass, man. I ain't gonna lie. I gotta be fast and furious. He gonna be like, Dom, I almost had you. Hey, man, it don't matter if you win by an inch or a mile. I can hear it now.
I forgot who he racing, but he racing.
See, I should have had to buy. Heck, I gotta race Eddie, man. That ain't even fair. Oh, shit, what's up, nigga? How you doing, man? Good seeing you, bro. How you been, man?
Surviving.
I hear that, man.
Everything. Where you stay, man. If we got
He
out.
should have chopped it or something. Yeah, you're right. He actually did good though. Better than I thought. I didn't even go like that. I ain't gonna lie. Turn it out or no? You had him. You was out, and then he caught up when you was spinning still. He caught you.
Crazy, man.
You had it. I swear, nigga. I'm like, oh, he got that. Damn.
Hey, oh man, my bad. Appreciate it, bro. Come on, man. Y'all see what's going on? I was trying something, man.
Hey, you did. You did, man.
Did a little something, man.
I promise you. Watch when you see it. You gonna be like, ooh.
Yeah, I appreciate it, man. Good looking out, man. It's
And he got 135.
Yeah, see, he was up there. I ain't gonna lie.
Really?
That motherfucker, I felt when it caught up, it was just out of there. Just
Yeah, he got motor.
flew past me. Miss that gear. Miss that gear. Yeah, miss that gear, man.
It be like that sometimes.
They do be like that, man.
Be like that.
You
Shit
can't win 'em all.
happens. You feel me? You can't get all of them, man. Sometimes you can overpower the shit. Yeah. I ain't see that going like that.
I ain't see that going like that either, man.
All right.
All right, I guess. Nigga said, I guess, man. It's cool.
He won, though. He
Nigga
got
said,
it.
what's next, man?
Yeah.
What we got? What's next?
What's the next class after this? Oh, he clouded. Look at him.
Look. He put up with
That's how you coming? That's how you coming, shorty?
Champaign, Illinois, for the hard time win.
That's how you coming?
Everybody, man.
Oh, yes, sir. That's how you feeling? Let us know, sir, man.
Where you from? Zach.
Man, that's Popeye.
He don't know where. He don't know where.
That's Popeye. That ain't no Zach. Popeye.
I got a real king.
I got to Champaign, Illinois. Man.
Appreciate the race.
Popeye. What's up? Where you from, Popeye?
Champaign, Illinois.
Oh, you came from Champaign?
Let's do that.
Okay. Yes, sir.
He said he in California today, though, man.
Yes,
It's up.
sir.
91, thumb gas,
Okay.
ride around, 11.
Y'all hear the accent? Y'all know you ain't playing, man.
Right,
Yes, sir.